So this is our carbon monoxide detector prototype. We've got some mounting tape on the wall, and we'll just go ahead and stick it next to our door switch. And we've taken the leads from the door switch and we've extended them, and we will connect them to the device. Because we are connecting the device to the switch itself and not the actual opening unit, it makes this prototype compatible with likely all garage door openers. The garage door opener used here is a Genie 1035. In order to test the function of the carbon monoxide detector, there's a test button on the bottom, which will trigger the alarm. And now that we can audibly hear the alarm, we can also see that it has signaled for the garage door to open. We can go ahead and press our button as normal to close the garage door again. And with this prototype unit, we will wait at least 30 seconds before we can reactivate the alarm, and that is coded in so that it won't trigger the door open and closed all day. Now, taking the switch itself off of the wall, we can see that on the back we have two contacts where the wire would normally go that goes to the control unit, and we've just extended those wires, and that is what we are connecting to the prototype device.